In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to send crypto from Coinbase to Exodus. First of all, you need to open your Exodus app and you need to decide which crypto you want to receive on Exodus. For example, I will send Solana from Coinbase to Exodus. That means we need to go to the Exodus and find our Solana wallet address. Here is Solana, we need to click on it and then we need to click Receive in the bottom right corner. It shows us our Solana address on our Exodus. We need to click the copy button and it will be copied. Then we need to close the Exodus app and we need to go to our Coinbase app. When you open the Coinbase, click on Transactions in the bottom menu, select Transfer and select Send Crypto. Then you need to choose the cryptocurrency you are sending from Coinbase to Exodus. In this case, we are sending Solana. That means we need to choose the Solana. Then you need to choose the network. Solana has got only one network, but in other cases, you need to choose the same network. For example, you are sending USDT BIP20 from Coinbase to Exodus. You need to find the USDT BIP20 wallet address on Exodus, and you need to select BIP20 while you are sending money from Coinbase to Exodus. Now let's continue. We need to find the Solana from the list. Then we need to select the amount of Solana we are sending from Coinbase to Exodus, and we need to finalize the transaction. After that, in a few minutes, we can check our balance on Exodus. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.